Hello people, as usual, Mama Uganda and family. My name is Reagan, and I'm here with some of my younger siblings and sisters, the brothers and sisters, and I'm going to be asking them their wish or the things which they like to be in future. I'm going to ask them their names, their favorite food, the things which they like most, and which class are they. So please comment, subscribe and share for more videos. Listen for us, and some of my two brothers here, or three brothers, they are going to give you, they are going to pray for you, like 2 prayers, and please, I think we will be so happy to, by end of this video, we'll be so happy to see it, and we will love this video. So I'm going to begin with my young sister here. It's called, what's your name? My name is Nakato Christine. Nakato Christine. What your name? She's 9 years old. Olinkasti is in primary 2. Kati chicho singo kwagala. Yeah, Nakato Christine likes so much studying. Shoes for study, shoes for school bag, books, pen, like that. And I'm going to another show. My sibling. Mion Ajala. Yeah, my name is Mion Ajala. My name is She's 3 years old. For sure you are 3 years old. She's 3 years old, yeah? Oh, she's in baby class. Yeah, she studies from Kasao Primary School. Yeah, his favorite thing is a school bag. I love school bag so much. He needs a school bag. She doesn't have any school bag which carries her books, like, and pens, as you know, school things like school items, pens, school like books. She needs a school bag. So another one is here, my sister. What's your name?
My name is Sylvia.
Sylvia what?
Sylvia Sun.
Sylvia Sun. Yeah, she's Sylvia Sun. Sylvia Sun. What name is
8 years.
She's 8 years old. What's my name? Yeah, she studies from St. Bonnie Primary School. Kati Sylvia Sun chicho singo kwagala. Yeah, she loves studying so much, learning, as you know. I think she chunzo kwagala. Yeah, she loves school bag and shoes. You know, he likes shoes for studying, and he likes a school bag. So anybody who's watching this video and you can help my young sister here with any the shoes are old, or you can gift her a new shoes, and God will bless you. Please help. Let's help ourselves and we go one another. No, we don't have enough money, and our mom is a poor woman. He can't afford all the money to buy for us shoes, school bag, feeding us, and also school fees. So he struggles to pay for us school fees, but we have to do our possible so that we can look for the possible ways to get our brothers and sisters, our young brothers and sisters, shoes and school bags. So, and me, I'm young, you know, here I'm the oldest in these ones which are here, my young siblings and sisters, and I can't afford money to pay for all of these ones, school bags, shoes and books. So anybody who's watching this video, please, when you have money, you can help. Some of, like, you can help. If you can help one, that's also good. If you can help all of us, it's also good. So anybody who's watching this video, please help us. We need school bags, we need shoes, we need books for studying, and God will bless you. God will give you the most thing which you like most. So I'm going to another child. What's your name? Yeah, my name is Nakabwa Ilda. My name is Kemeka. Yeah, she's 10 years old. What's my name? His school is St. James Divine Foundation School. Kati chicho singa okwagala. Yeah. She needs a school bag. She needs the shoes. She needs books and also school. Yeah. So anybody who is there, when you are merciful and you would like to help my sister here with shoes, a school bag and school fees, you are welcome. We are located in Mkono, Kasao, Kasenge district. So if you want to come to visit our home, we are in Uganda, Mkono, Kasao, Kasenge district. So anybody who is there, when you would like to help my young siblings and sisters, you can, or if you can't visit us at our home, you can send anything, any gift you wish to give to us on this number. It's 070 600 550 33 and 93. So anybody who is willing to help us, to help Mama Uganda's young siblings and sisters, you can reach us on that number. It's 070 650 33 93. So by name